welcome back to my channel. So during this video I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my June LurellaFam subscription box, and I also purchased 2 additional items that did not come in this box, but I'm going to share with you all once I share with you what I received in this box. Now this box did not come with a monthly card. Therefore, I'm just going to have to share with you what I have. I don't know the prices off the top of my head for these items, so I'm just going to share them with you without the prices. For starters, I received another Lurella's matte setting mist. This is the 3rd one I have, and I absolutely love the spray. I like how light it is. When you spray it, your face is not like saturated with spray. It's a nice mist. It's comparable to the Morphe setting spray. So I love this spray. So when they sent this spray, I'll never get tired of receiving the setting sprays. So that's a plus for me. The next item is cleansing wipes. Now I've never tried Lurella's cleansing wipes, and it says that they gently cleanses, moisturize, soothes, rejuvenates, not moisturize, rejuvenates and soothe the skin. So I love some nice wipes, and I hope they are for sensitive skin, without any perfume or anything in them, but we'll see when I open them, because I love a good sensitive wipe. Because right now I use baby wipes with micellar water, and it works perfect for me because makeup wipes have so much perfume in it. I can't take the perfume around my eye area. They will burn so much and so long. The next item I received are 2 eyeshadow brushes. Well, I ain't gonna say eyeshadow. Yeah, eyeshadow brushes. I don't know if this is actually eyeshadow brush. It's a large oval brush. I guess it can be eyeshadow or a highlighting brush, either one. But it's 2 brushes in here, and this one is actually a blending brush. Now I've received about 2 or 3 of these, so this is actually a nice blending brush. But I've never received this style, so we'll see how to make that work. The next item is a pair of lash scissors. I have plenty of pair of lash scissors, but I do not own a pair of Lurella's lash scissors, so I'm glad to have this pair. I do have their lash applicator, but I do not have the scissors. And I received the liquid, is this a lipstick or lip gloss? I think it's a lip gloss. A lip gloss, iconic lip gloss. I love their iconic formula. I can't rave enough about their formula. And this one is in the shade Priceless. A nice nudie, I would say not mauve, but I don't know, huh? Just a nice nude iconic gloss. Nice formula. Y'all know when I get on here I cannot talk, so bear with your girl. I'm trying here. Now, one item I did receive again is this black liner. I almost went on their site and purchased another liner until I received this one. I love their liquid liners. They are like hands down really good. For the felt tip liners, I have the brown. I use the brown a lot in the place of the black, because I used the other black one I received like nothing else was in that tube. So I was glad when I received this liner in this June box. Now the star of the show, the eyeshadow palette is Love is Love. We all know June is Pride Month, so that's why we received this palette. It's a nice size palette too, a real big palette. And we all know Love is Love and Pride Month is really colorful. So this is what the colors look like. Very bold, vibrant colors. Now this palette has more glitters. And it does not really have to have one shimmer and Yeah, one shimmer, and the rest are pressed glitters. Now I do love pressed glitters. I like pressed glitters, but I do like this because it's actually different from what they normally send out, which is a lot of shimmers. So I'm super excited about these glitters in this palette. That's like really pretty, inclusive. It looks like a green, gold, silverish mixture. Let me swatch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That is so pretty. Y'all, I can't wait to use this palette. I can't wait to use it. It's so pretty. These glitters are like really calling my name. Look at that one down there. That's a pink, purple, light pinkish purplish silver. And that was called For Everyone. Y'all know I don't normally do no swatches, but that is pretty. Let's see if we can stick it right there. You know what? I can't wait to use some of these glitters in here, because it don't take much to pop a little bit of glitter on there. So I can't wait to use this. I really do like this palette. And like I said, it's a really nice large eyeshadow palette. I'm here for it. I like those colors. So that is all I received in the box for the month of June. Now, it's two other items that I did purchase. This glitter don't want to come off. That I did purchase in addition to the box. One I am super excited about. I was glad when I saw this little palette come out. And it's the Extravagant. The Aguilera's. Did I say like Aguilera's Sisters eyeshadow palette. And I like the way this thing is packaged and set up. It's not 3 individual palettes. It's actually one palette, and it flips up to 3 different palettes. Now, my only gripe is I would definitely have to make sure I keep up with this film protector. And I don't know their names. I'm sorry. I just know they're the Aguilera's. I guess, did I say it right? Aguilera's? Yeah, the Aguilera Sisters palettes. This is like a more neutral with a pop of red in there, which I do like that color scheme. And then the second one is this color scheme, more pinkish greenish toned color scheme. And then I'm sorry, you can't see. That's typical me, right? Then the last one is more of a pastel-y, light colored palette. So again, I'm going to show you again because I know I probably was all out of frame. This is one of the palettes from the Aguilera Sisters. That one, I do not know their names again, so we're just going to make it work. This is the second palette. And the first palette. Now, like I said, I do love the concept of this palette. I definitely have to keep my protectors and put them back in when I put it up. But I'm excited to use this palette too, though, because I love Lurella's formula. Hands down, nice formula. Very affordable, nice formula. So I can't wait to use this baby. And the other item I purchased is the Pinch Me blush palette. Let me tell y'all, when I ordered this palette, I did not know how huge this blush palette was until I received it in the mail and opened it. This has got to be the hugest blush palette I own and probably have seen. 8 blushes. Look how, and I think I paid $24 for this. I did. And it may still be $24, but look how huge those blushes are. And look at that mirror. Big, nice mirror. Big, nice mirror. So I'm actually thinking about purchasing the other one. Is more of a peachy tone. Because y'all know me, I'll use these as shadows too, not just blushes. Your girl is digging to make some shadows. So I may just go and purchase the orange tone one. But that is what I received and what I purchased additionally from Lurella. So if you guys get this subscription box, let me know your thoughts on if you like the items. if any of you have tried their makeup wipes, let me know, are they made for sensitive eyes like mine, where I can't have a whole lot of perfumes and all that kind of stuff around my eye area, because my eyes are very, 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 very sensitive. So again, let me know your thoughts on it. If you received this box, if you've used the items prior to me posting this, let me know your thoughts on it. If you've used the palette, how you feel about it, because I'm super excited about those glitters in that palette. I'm super excited about that. I can't wait to film a look and post it for you guys. So again, let me know your thoughts on it. If you do not have the box and you want to try something affordable and you love eyeshadow palettes like your girl, I would definitely try it. So again, I'm just rambling now because I'm just so excited about this palette. I like those glitters in this palette. But again, if you have not done so already, I don't know what you're waiting on. Comment, like, and subscribe to your channel and become a part of my YouTube family here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.